Hey, time's now foodie. Welcome to my sweet home. Thank you, time's now foodie, for this lovely cake. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. The cake and the sunset. And you guys, thank you for making it so special.
Hi Raqesh.
Hey, time's now foodie. Come, welcome to my sweet home.
You have a lovely house.
Thank you.
Wow, what a lovely food you have over your shivling.
I'm Ganesha Bhakt. So obviously he's a godfather. So you start the worship from the Shiva, the Almighty. और यहाँ पे स्पेशली रखा है बिकॉज ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट कॉर्नर है मेरे घर का और ये स्पॉट होता है ऑस्पेशियस होता है और दिस पार्ट हैज़ टू बी फेसिंग द नॉर्थ सो यहाँ पे रखा है तो मेन दरवाजे पे क्यों रखते हैं बिकॉज नो evil should enter my house so only positive vibes. So everything in this house has got a specific flavor to it. Every corner is my favorite corner.
Your house looks very clean. Are you cleanliness freak?
Yes, I am. I don't like mess. I like to keep it really tidy and clean.
Are you a rule breaker?
Always been since childhood.
Do you have a to-do list?
To-do list, yes. I want to keep painting. I want to keep creating art. And talking about art, this is my work. This I made because I love meditating at times. This is like the ripples of energy. So that's what it represents.
Your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is sculpting, painting, eating, and sleeping.
I must have in your living room.
A lot of wind, sunlight, and positive vibes only. That's it.
Do you like cooking?
I don't like cooking so much, but I love eating.
Veg, non-veg.
Mostly I like vegetarian food. I like the greens. I'm more of a salad person.
Your favorite food?
Ganpati is coming, so ukudi ki modak. And anything like a Maharashtrian cuisine is perfect for me.
You prefer going out to eat or order home?
I prefer eating home actually. Ghar ka khana.
Vada pav or pav bhaji?
Vada pav, always.
Favorite cuisine?
Maharashtrian. Or Japanese.
Favorite food from your hometown?
Anything that my mom makes is my favorite food.
One food that you can have always.
Varan bhat.
Favorite food made by your mom?
I think aloo fatfada, which she makes amazing. And takatla palak. I mean, that's a very Marathi kind of a thing.
Midnight munchies?
Popcorns, especially. I have like a full drawer of popcorns. So when I watch my films, I always have popcorns in my hand.
Your favorite food place in Pune?
Vaishali. It's on FC Road.
Favorite dish at Vaishali?
SPDP, Sev Batata Dahi Puri, which is a speciality.
Your favorite breakfast dish?
Idli sambar.
What's your favorite spot in the house?
My favorite spot in the house. Okay, I'll show you. I'm not going to talk about it. Follow me. This is my favorite place. I often come here with a cup of tea and I stand here looking at the sea. From there you can see the sea link, you can see the metro, you can see the world, you can see Bombay from here.
One thought that comes to you when you stand here.
Freedom.
What's your lucky number?
I'm number 1.
And what's your zodiac sign?
Virgo.
You said 1 is your lucky number. Is that your date of birth?
Yes, you guessed it right. It's 1st September.
How do your birthday mornings be like?
Oh, lazy because I've had a party the previous night because people come in to bring in the birthday. So it's normally, I start with a lazy morning. I just want to chill the whole day. I would want to have a birthday with no calls, nothing. I want to just go in the wilderness and not talk to anybody and just look at nature. That's the perfect ideal birthday for me.
Best birthday gift?
Whenever I'm with my family, I think it's always special. So I think family's love is the best birthday gift. My friends' love is the most precious gift that I can ever have.
Best birthday surprise?
I can't mention the... Sorry.
Most memorable birthday?
I think in the Big Boss house, they had an impromptu celebration. So it was, and I was with few very close people in the house. So yeah, it was one of the best birthdays.
Now since we know that it's your birthday, we have a small surprise for you.
Wow. Guys, that's so sweet. Thank you, Times Now Foodie, for this lovely cake. And this is my first cake. So let's cut it and let's eat it. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. Wow. The cake and the sunset. And you guys, thank you for making it so special. Thank you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this segment. And do watch Times Foodie, this segment. Swipe up, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want, but just be with us.